Oh, Callie loves these sticks. Are you ready? Ready? Go. There it is. Good girl. Good girl, Callie. I'm Jared with Stryker, so we are here with a new 2024 Stryker Pro 380 with the new Pro V Air floor. Now, last year, for all of 2023, I've left a boat up in the cabin, and it's covered in barnacles. So what we're gonna do is I just made this section, this end of our dock, open so that we're able to do water sports off of here. We put a swim ladder on. It just, the previous owners, they didn't do it. Awesome for whatever reason. This works really, really well. We've used it all day. The dogs are jumping and swimming off of here. So one thing I'm gonna do is, for this trip, I'm gonna pull this up on the dock. I'm gonna leave the motor on. I'm gonna see how difficult it is to do it. And then show you guys. So then hopefully it'll give you a little bit of an idea of what it would take. Now, I will say, and I've already ordered the parts, but you should have a nice dock lip here, like a dock edge. Definitely. And then as well, I'm also gonna make a little thing here that attaches to the like a piece of plywood that goes down. So I'm gonna make a really nice bumper in here. That's coming. Well, I'll have that for the next trip, but for now we're doing this. Okay, now of course I would always do this with the right dock edge with most boats. Now the Pro, you could get away without, well, we're gonna see. So I'm gonna do this by myself. It has a Merc 20 on it. Let's see what happens. Our docks are really high as well. So, you know what? I'd like my shoes. Good girl. Good job, Callie. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna line it up a little bit. Let's see how it is. That was pretty easy, actually. It was a couple good pulls, but I don't know. I like it. That's how I'm gonna do it from now on.